Hi guys, welcome. So Ada is over there, Izzy is over here, Mommy's on the camera, Ingrid is coming to join me. So this is more like another morning routine, but today is a different one. So watch this video to the end so you see what I came up with. It's something you want to find out. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's jump into it. So guys, guess what I have here? I have crayfish. Yeah. Crayfish. So what I'm trying to do is make my own chicken's food. Yeah, make my chicken food and for the turkey as well. So the turkey has started eating this. Now I have this. You want to find out what this is? Drop in the comment section and I'll tell you what this is. So I have 3 loads of this. Then I have this one. So let's check it out and let's see what the reaction of the chickens when I put this feed in their container. So guys, come closer. As you can see, so for the crayfish, you can see I've sieved it. This one is a big chunks. I'm still going to blend this one. Sometimes I give it to the turkey just like this. So I have to tell you guys what this is. This is breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna give it to the chickens. You're gonna see their reaction because they love it. So I'm gonna sieve this one as well. Is breadcrumb. So these big ones. These big ones we'll give it to the turkey. Or sometimes we'll just match it. Because the chickens are very small, so that's why I can't give them these big ones, these big chunks. So I'm going to put some more. They're going to eat this for like a week because there are many in there. So now you look at this, see what it looks like. Can you see what it turned out to be? Looks fine. So I'm gonna put this one. So this has corn, millet. It's a mixture, sure. Ask me in the comment section and I'm gonna explain better. So you see that? It's very early in the morning. I just decided to try this out for my chickens and it's awesome and amazing. You need to see how they rush this food. You're gonna see it once I take it to where they are. So Igwe is here watching what I'm doing.
Hi.
Igwe, the mommy to call him Baba Chicken. And mommy, when I wasn't around, mommy was here chicken. Can imagine. Mommy said out of how many? She will carry these Zubriganze. The nylon is too tight. So Daddy, careful there. So, I'm gonna add some more of this. This is gonna give me almost 120 if care is not taken.
You can add everything. You still have more to fish.
That's why I'm putting the pieces. We'll grind those ones with the crayfish.
The day I give them curry. He said they're eating it.
Okay, they ate the guy. Trying to see how I can avoid giving them all those feed. Because I just discovered something.
If you see that bird, you understand? You see that bird, tell her.
Okay.
The sun,
I want to even stop all this. Because there's one chicken I ate in Mom's place, man. Mom's didn't give those chicken feed at all. But man, you need to see the meat. The chicken is broiler, but the outcome of that chicken. I'll put that video into this video. You're going to see how that chicken came out. That chicken was big. I wanted to do barbecue. Well, there was too many things for us to finalize with. So let me put this on this. Then I can pour this other one together here.
So you grind it when they don't like it?
So I'll just put this, I'll grind this one together. We can use that our grinder. So guys, see what I came up with. So guys, you can see man, I love this.
What to put on?
You go answer that. So guys, before we go to the chickens, we're gonna first try with the turkey. Let's see what the turkey does. Let's see the turkey's reaction.
It's okay.
Guys, can you see how the turkey is rushing that? So that's my specially made recipe for chicken's food. See how the turkey is feeding that? The chickens, I'm going to put theirs in this place.
You know, there is too much. They go waste some, you know. Put them inside because some.
There's a way I put it.
It's okay. One of my waste go. Because you say not two places you go put up. Because that thing in the container like that.
So guys, you can see the chickens cannot wait again. Can you see them? Guys, can you see them?
But this is their house. After they finish eating, we'll clean it. Right? Put some here.
No, this is not where I said put it. Where's the other container?
Don't put corn on your bed.
There's one small container. The cover of this thing. Where's this thing's cover?
Yeah, look at where they are rushing it.
This is the one I used to cover that. They don't carry.
No serious for come on, you don't carry. Ah, you don't come my family. And I know who carry na them.
You know this big chocolate board, see it? See this size of the knife. This is big enough, like maybe you understand this knife. So, so a full hand. See mommy broiler. Imagine this is the cocoa. Very big. See this lap. Let it get meat. If you see the female one, then I didn't record that one.